Hello friends, I'm so happy to share how to start EC2 instance in Amazon Web Service. Imagine you have a software application and you have a laptop with some configuration, say 8 GB of RAM and a good Intel i5 processor. But you have a software application which is incapable of running in the given laptop configuration. In that case, it takes a lot of time visiting your store and getting a high-end laptop and kickstarting our business application. The best way would be using cloud service provider. In Amazon Web Service, we have a EC2 service where we can log into the console, click on search for EC2 and EC2 dashboard opens. From there, we can just go to instances options, click on launch instance that is available in the right hand side corner. Amazon Web Service provides a lot of flavors. If you want to run your application in a Linux machine, Windows or Mac machine, it provides a lot variety of flavors. In Linux, there are a lot of options from Amazon provides their own flavor of Linux. And we have Ubuntu, there is a Red Hat Linux as well. But in this case, it's up to you. It's up to us to select which flavor of Linux, which flavor of operating system to be used. And then upon selecting the operating system, next step, Amazon provides a wide variety of options there. We have 400 or 300 plus types of options available. If you want to run your application that requires 64 GB of RAM, that requires highest internet bandwidth of 100 gigabits per second, or if you want more CPU threads to be utilized, all these options are available there. They can be selected right from the console window. Upon selecting that, next option would be, it's an always interesting option, we can add additional storage. By default, in free tier, Amazon Linux will be provided with 8 GB of storage. If you want to expand, we can always increase the storage amount that we require. Next, tags. Tags are helpful to identify our instances based on the tag names. Next is the security option, where AWS provides a lot of options to interact with our instance. It's another separate topic. We can definitely look deeply into another video. By default, AWS allows all the IP to communicate with our instance, but no worries. Because AWS provides us with a Keypair, a unique Keypair that is downloadable only once. We have to keep it safely in order to open our instance. Next, we can review what are all the configurations that we can apply for our EC2 instance. Upon clicking launch, AWS will definitely ask for which Keypair to be used, whether to use an existing Keypair or download a new Keypair. In this case, I have already downloaded the Keypair and I'm going to reuse it. Next, upon clicking on, there we go. AWS starts launching our instance. It takes a few seconds to launch our instance, and in this case it takes less than 2 minutes to actually search for EC2, go into EC2 service, click on a free tier Amazon Linux instance and launch it. It took me less than 2 minutes to directly connect to EC2 instance using EC2 Connect, and that's it. Stop scrolling when you see me. More exciting videos are loading for you. In next video, I'll be right back explaining about different security options to connect to EC2 instance.